Hi guys, it's your boy Lindo from Buy Easy. Welcome to another episode of unboxing. Today we're going to be unpacking another one of my favorite products. It's a self-defense product, well known as a taser gun. So guys, without wasting time, let's just get right into it. Today I brought one of these. So this is our stunt gun. It's well known as a taser gun, but it's called a stunt gun. So guys, we have the 928 type with us today. It's a self-defense flashlight. So let's just open the box and find out what we can see inside. Okay, right. So first and foremost, this is very important, guys. Okay, so this is a very important uh, piece of paper. Actually, it's called a manual book. Okay, so this manual book, it actually tells you how to use the product and what does this product do. So on this manual, you can actually see that at the top there, it actually tells us that this is a heavy duty stun gun, so which means that it's a very dangerous device. So be careful if you have one of these at home. If you decide to buy it, just make sure that you put it in a safer place whereby the children or any of your loved one at home might be able to reach it. Just make sure that it's in a safer place where the children can't even get to it. Okay, so let's put this aside and see what does our product look like. So guys, we can see that when you open the box after the manual book, we can find this little guy here. So this is the cover for the stun gun. It's a safe cover. It actually helps you to put your stun gun in a safer way that it won't even hurt you or it won't set yourself on while you carrying it and stuff. So we'll go back to this later. Let's just continue unboxing. And this is another thing that we currently find inside here, guys. So this is a cable. So it's used for charging the stun gun, but we'll get back to it later. And we find this little guy as well. Yeah, so this is a plug for the cable to charge the stun gun. See what's inside. All right, so that's it. This is our stun gun, guys. This is a 928 type. This is what it looks like. So the 928 type, as I've just mentioned to you, that on this manual book it shows that it is a heavy duty stun gun. So it is very heavy duty stun gun, because if you take a look at it very closely, it shows that it is a 12,000 voltage, which means that there's lots of electricity coming inside here. So guys, you must be very careful if you decide to buy one of these, because this is an ultra high voltage. Okay, it's a very dangerous device. It's not a device that needs to be laying around the house whereby the children can reach it, because we don't want any of our loved ones getting hurt. So let me show you something about the stun gun. The stun gun has the lights here, and it has these 2 points pins. So these two little guys here, they provide the shocking electricity, the 12 voltage that is coming into from this stun gun. So if you take a look on this side and this side, starting from this side, guys, you can see that there is a red switch whereby you switch on the stun gun. So this red switch is used for action. This one is a three-way switch. So take a closer look at it. So the first one is whereby you switch off the stun gun. And the second one is for you to turning the lights on. So whenever you want to check something or you need any torch, so this will be much more helpful. Let's just pull the switch on and see what's going to happen. Oh yes, the light does come out, guys. So this is for you when you need a torch, or if you want to check or search for something by using a torch. This is the one that is going to be helping you. And then guys, the third switch, it's a danger zone. So it puts the stun gun into a standby mode. So this little guy is ready for attack after you push it into the third switch. So just be very careful of these switches as well. because if you accidentally like put the stun gun to switch number 3 and then maybe you put it into this safety cover accidentally, if this red switch can goes on, it might hurt you. So guys, just be very careful. Make sure that you see before you place the stun gun, or you put the stun gun into this little guy. Just make sure that you check that all switches are off, and then you can just put it into this safe cover like this. All right, and close it, and then the stun gun is ready for carrying. Then you can put the stun gun in a much more safer place. So let's just open this cover. I want to show you something else. So the stun gun has a cable. So this cable will goes inside here, inside the stun gun, and then this little guy here will have to be put together with the cable so that we'll have something like this going on. So when this is connected like this, you need to plug it into your charging sockets or your electricity plug, so whereby it's going to collect some electricity and then charge the stun gun. So that is how you actually charge your stun gun. So guys, we have other cool devices already available on our website. So if you are more interested into it, just check out the website. It's www.buyeasy.com, or even if you like, you can actually just send us a comment on this page, like our page, subscribe on our YouTube channels, and hit us with a comment. As for me, guys, Lindo from Baezi, thank you for watching or for tuning with this episode. Have a lovely one. Peace out.